Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, give up. Let it think. Hey, let it think, give up. Let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook AMPALAYA con carne. Are you ready? Let's begin. The ingredients that we need are First, let's add cooking oil to our preheated frying pan. Then, sauté the onions. Followed by our garlic. Let's now add our instant ground pork. Sauté for 30 seconds. Add salt and pepper. We can now add the AMPALAYA. Then put about 1 to 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoonful of hot pepper paste. Then cook it for 5 minutes. Give it a taste and add more seasonings if needed. One last stir and it's done. Transfer it to our serving plate and serve while it's warm. You can't go wrong with this one. It's easy and delicious. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.